From one war to the other, after the International Criminal Court issued an arrest warrant against the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and his former Defense Minister Yoav Gallant for alleged war crimes, Netanyahu has strongly rejected the warrant, calling it anti-Semitic and politically motivated. The United States, meanwhile, condemned the warrant, calling it outrageous. Now, Biden's rejection, remember, reflects America's long-standing support for Israel and its skepticism of the ICC's authority, particularly in cases involving America's allies. This diplomatic clash underscores the ongoing tensions between justice and politics in international law, with the ICC's actions facing strong opposition from Israel as well as the United States.
The anti-Semitic decision of the International Court in The Hague is a modern Dreyfus trial, and it will end the same way. By biased judges who are motivated by anti-Semitic sentiments against the one and only Jewish state. These judges did nothing. They did nothing against the real war crimes. They issued an arrest warrant against the corpse of the Hamas arch-terrorist Mohammed Deif. His corpse. What an absurdity. No biased anti-Israel decision in The Hague will prevent the state of Israel from defending its citizens. Israel will not recognize the validity of this decision. We will continue to do everything we must do to defend our citizens and defend our state against Iran's axis of terror, Iran and its terrorist proxies, which include Hamas, Hezbollah, the Houthis, and others.
After a Canadian newspaper carried a report linking the killing of Khalistani terrorist Hardeep Singh Nijjar to Prime Minister Modi, External Affairs Minister Dr. Jaishankar and India's National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, the Canadian government has now backtracked on these claims. Canada released a statement, and I quote, "The government of Canada has not stated, nor is it aware of evidence linking Prime Minister Modi, Minister Jaishankar or NSA Doval to the serious criminal activity within Canada. Any suggestion to the contrary is both speculative and inaccurate," unquote. India, remember, had strongly refuted these claims made in the newspaper, with the Ministry of External Affairs saying that ludicrous statements should be dismissed with the contempt that they deserve. Ties between the two countries have collapsed ever since Canada accused the Indian government of being involved in the 2023 killing of Nijjar. India, remember, has continued to deny these allegations, calling them absurd and motivated. Meanwhile, in another move, Canada has rolled back extra screening for flyers to India just days after announcing the measure. The move was allegedly taken out of an abundance of caution.